Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to install Node.js on Windows. So let's start. So first we will go to this Chrome. Here we will search for Node.js. Hit enter. I will click on this first link. Click on this get Node.js button. Click on this Windows installer and click save. Now it has started downloading. The download is complete, so I'll show in folder. Right click on this and open it. Click next here. I accept. Click next. Next. It will install all these packages. Click next. I will check this automatically install the necessary tools. Click next and install. Click yes here. So now you can see that Node.js has been successfully installed. So I'll finish this. I'll close this. I'll close this as well and this as well. Now we will verify our installation. So I'll come to this and search for CMD. Hit enter. And here we will type node-v and hit enter. So now you can see here that Node version 22.19.0 is shown here. So in this way you can install Node.js on Windows 11. That's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment.